Meet the all-new DJI Neo Mini Drone, a 135-gram powerhouse that's redefining what portable flight feels like. You don't even need a controller. This drone literally follows you wherever you go. Designed for adults and content creators, the Neo brings a full 4K UHD camera, AI-powered subject tracking, and stabilized video recording, all in the palm of your hand. Watch this. With palm takeoff, the drone lifts off effortlessly and hovers smoothly, adjusting automatically to your movements. Perfect for travel vlogs, hikes, and cinematic reels. Follow me mode. The drone locks onto you and tracks motion automatically. QuickShots capture cinematic sequences like journeys, orbits, and reveals with one gesture. Built-in propeller guard keeps it ultra-safe for beginners and indoor flying. No controller needed, fully AI-driven, it literally knows where you are. Here's the footage. 4K UHD clarity, rich dynamic range, and incredible stability, even in mild wind. DJI's advanced stabilization keeps every shot buttery smooth. At only 135 grams, the DJI Neo doesn't require registration in many regions. It's lightweight, quiet, and fits easily in your pocket or backpack, perfect for creators on the move. So if you're looking for a smart, controller-free drone that films you automatically and delivers professional-grade 4K video, the DJI Neo Mini Drone is the one to get. Lightweight, intelligent, and seriously fun to fly. Link in the description. Check it out on Amazon today. Meet the all-new DJI Neo Mini Drone, a 130